Good day mga kabengbeng, welcome to Mr. Yuhaim Hobby. So ito po yung napili ni Sir Chris ng Calamba City, Laguna. Army Armament R17-2. Yan, so ito po yung kanyang unit. So may libreng stickers, freebies po yan, and cup. Yan, solid. And syempre hindi mawala yung ating mug. Yan, so pasubscribe na rin po yung ating YouTube channel Mr. Yuhaim TV and yung ating FB page Mr. Yuhaim Hobby. Yan po. Thank you. And then ito po yung unit ni Sir Chris. Block 17. So 28 rounds capacity. So may BBs and gas. It's a toy only. Yan. So crown check natin. Then test fire natin. So ang gamit ko ay parang 0.25. So mag-iiba yung reading niya, no? So dapat 0.20 yung BBs dapat. So test fire natin, then chrono, pasok si magazine, clicking sounds, kasa, release. Always trigger finger out. So chrono natin. So masira na yung ating chrono, no? So test fire na natin, test fire. Test fire. So nag-slide lock na po siya. Ibig sabihin wala na po siyang BBs or bala. It's a toy only. Always trigger finger out. Release natin yung magazine. Release natin yung slide. Then press the trigger, then hammer down. Okay na po Sir Chris. Thank you.